It was time to make food for the animals at the family farm. Roy was busy preparing his tools so that he would be ready to push the food into the pit. "What are you doing, Roy?" asked Tec. "Just making sure that Rebecca the rake's teeth are tight enough," said Roy. "Ouch!" squeaked Rebecca. "Thank goodness I don't have any teeth," thought Tec as he drove over to the house. Katy and Molly were about to leave. "Where are you going, Katy?" "To the dentist," said Katy happily. "Aren't you afraid?" "Of course I'm not," said Katy. "All I have to do is keep my mouth open." "Hey, Katy, don't swallow me up," laughed Tec. "Let's go, Katy," called Molly. "Bye, Tec." "Goodbye, beep beep." Tec tooted his horn. Katy and Molly drove off down the lane. Teeth were funny things, thought Tec. He decided to go and find Henry the horse to see what kind of teeth he had. "Hello, Henry. Are you there?" Tec tooted his horn. Groaned Henry. "Hopping horseshoes! What is the matter? Are you all right, Henry?" asked Tec. "No, indeed. No, I'm not all right at all. I have a pain in my mouth and it aches and hurts all over. Oh, oh. Excuse me, Tec. Ouch!" Poor Henry. He was very uncomfortable. "I hope you'll feel better soon, Henry," said Tec. Katy was waiting for her turn in the dentist's waiting room. Before long, it was her turn to see the dentist. "Katy, next please. Come this way." Katy and Molly got up and headed towards the dentist's room. Roy and Rebecca the rake were busy piling animal food into the pit. The big blue tractor would never have been able to do that without Rebecca's help. He was lucky that Rebecca had such big, strong teeth that could grip and lift the food up high. "I'd like a friend with big, strong teeth like that," said Tec. So off he went to look for a rake like Rebecca. On his way, Tec ran into Nell. "Do you have teeth, Nell?" he asked.
"Roof, teeth? Of course I've got teeth. I'd starve without them. I wouldn't be able to gnaw at a bone or chew meat without teeth,"
said Nell.
"And don't you dare take my bone. It's mine, remember?"
growled Nell. "I was only asking," said Tec, and off he went in a hurry. At the dentist's office, Katy was lying on the comfortable chair. "Open your mouth wide, please, Katy." The dentist began to examine each tooth carefully. Right, you're all finished, said the dentist as Katy sat up in the chair. Excellent, your teeth are strong and healthy, but you must remember to clean them every morning and night. I will, promised Katy. I'll see you again in 6 months. Goodbye, said Katy and Molly. Are you feeling better, Henry? Asked Tec. No, I am not feeling better at all. I still have this terrible pain in my mouth. Can I do anything to help you? Asked Tec. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I'd be very grateful. Ouch. Could you tell Roy? Said Henry. I'll do that right away. With that, Tec went to find Roy. But Roy was still busy with the animal food, and it was too dangerous for Tec to go near him. Rebecca the Rake's teeth flashed a warning to everyone. Keep away. I know. I'll tell Molly and Katy, said Tec, and off he went to the house. But as he was rolling across the field, he got distracted by the ducks and geese. Do you ever get pain in your mouth? Asked Tec. Because Henry the horse has had a terrible pain in his jaw since early this morning.
Quack, suffering snail shells. You don't say, Tec. Quack, perhaps he broke a tooth while biting on a stone or something, suggested Daniel the duck. What do you know about teeth? We don't have any, not a single one. Bah, bah.
Holy mackerel! You don't have any teeth, Daniel? Asked Tec, astonished.
None of us have teeth. That's why we have to swallow everything. Bah. But we can still bite, remember? Hissed Gertie the goose.
Well, you learn something new and interesting every day, said Tec calmly. Ginny, do you have any teeth?
What? Teeth? Oh, no.
Giggled Ginny.
No, indeed. We have beaks,
Cackled Nancy.
and because we don't have teeth, we never have toothaches.
Clucked Ginny happily. What's a toothache? Asked Tec.
When something is wrong with your tooth. Bah. Yes, something goes wrong and you get a terrible pain in your mouth. Bah. Sometimes people get toothaches,
Cackled Nancy. Aha! That must be what's wrong with Henry, said Tec. And he hurried off, hoping Katy and Molly had returned by now. But before he reached the house, he ran into Roy and Rebecca the Rake. Rebecca was looking very upset. One of her teeth had broken. What happened to your tooth, Rebecca? Asked Tec.
Ouch! Oh,
She said.
I bit into something very hard and it broke. Woo-hoo!
Oh, poor you. I am sorry. It's nothing to worry about. We'll take out the broken tooth and replace it with a new one in no time at all, said Roy.
Oh, no!
Moaned Rebecca the Rake. Roy took the broken tooth out and put the new one in carefully. And then Tec remembered about Henry. Oh, Roy, I almost forgot to tell you. Henry has a tooth. Tooth. Teeth? Asked Roy. No, a terrible pain in his mouth. Henry's got a toothache? Asked Roy, surprised. Yes, that's it. So they both went over to see him at once. Poor Henry. What's the matter? Asked Roy. Oh, my mouth, it hurts a lot, groaned Henry. Poor you, said Tec. Never mind, said Roy. I'll call the vet and he'll come to look at your teeth. He won't be long. Oh, thank you, Roy. As Roy went to the house, Katy and Molly returned home. It's a pity that Henry couldn't have gone with you to the dentist, said Tec. Why? What's wrong with Henry? Asked Katy. He's got teeth, a toothache, and he's in terrible pain. Poor Henry, said Molly. I was just about to phone the vet when you arrived, said Roy. Now, Henry, can you open your mouth wide? Said the vet. But Henry wasn't as ready to open his mouth as Katy had been. Oh, he moaned. What great big teeth you've got, Henry, said Tec. He had never seen such huge teeth in all his life. They were yellow and square, but then Henry didn't have a toothbrush and toothpaste to clean his teeth. The vet said, the tooth isn't rotten. The problem is in his gum. But this medicine should cure that. They both went to the vet's car, and the vet gave Roy some medicine, which would make Henry better. Goodbye, said the vet. Thank you very much, said Roy. As Tec drove towards the house, Molly came to meet him with a rake in her hand. Look at this, said Molly. This rake has lost 3 of its teeth. Sometimes, thought Tec, it was very nice to be a little tractor with no teeth at all.